Hello, I am Pankaj Sharma from PM Expert. In this video, we will learn how Monopoly Money, also called by a feature, helps us prioritize items in an Agile backlog. First, the development team assigns a price to each feature. Here is a simple backlog. Small features might cost $50 or $100, while a large one can cost $500. We can summarize the total cost with a formula. Let C be the total cost, which is the sum of all feature prices. For this example, the total cost is $1,100. Now, we give stakeholders a budget, but it must be less than the total cost. This scarcity is what forces prioritization. For example, the budget could be $700, so B is less than C. Now we distribute the budget to stakeholders. Here, two people share $700, which is not enough to buy everything. So they have to spend carefully and negotiate. Let's watch the buying process. They easily purchase smaller features, but for the expensive $500 feature, they must pool their money together. This shows real priorities and forces collaboration. That is the Monopoly Money method. It forces real choices, reveals value, and encourages negotiation. Use it to prioritize your Agile backlog in a fun, practical way.